The beehive-shaped grill and fireplace along Highway 100 and Minnetonka Boulevard has been moved to a new location in the mostly constructed roadside park. The Beehive Grill was built in 1939 at Lilac Park as part of a Depression-era federal jobs program known as the Works Progress Administration, or WPA. There are only 2 such beehive grills left in the United States, with the other at Graeser Park in Robbinsdale. Because Highway 100 will eventually be widened, the beehive and other limestone features at Lilac Park had to be moved. The new roadside park is located just west of Lilac Way and connects to the Southwest Regional Trail. In 2009, the council ring and fire pit will be reconstructed by the beehive, and parking spaces, informational signage, and pedestrian trail lights will be installed. In the spring or summer of 2009, there will be a ribbon-cutting ceremony and picnic to celebrate the 70th anniversary of this WPA project and its restoration. Thanks to the city's partners in this park restoration, St. Louis Park Historical Society, the State Historical Preservation Organization, and the Minnesota Department of Transportation.